Cheers. Hydrated? Are you also dehydrated from alcohol? Well, I fully endorse it, because the drunker you are, the better I am. So, cause any rivalry, but most of the best crowds so far have been Saturdays, haven't they? So you might already be our best Friday night crowd. It's true. Biggest fear might happen tonight, which hopefully it won't happen because I'm wearing a black dress, but my boobs are really sweating, and I'm frightened of getting under boob sweat mark, which in day-to-day life, it's normal, but on a huge screen like this, it'd be very fucking embarrassing. I tried to put sanitary pads under them before I came on, but my boobs aren't big enough to hold one in, so if I get a puddle in the middle, don't judge me, okay? It's fine. When you see me go like this, it means it's your turn, okay? So obviously, we're only just getting started. In this that I've been washing my hands in forever. Demons go easy on me, baby. I was still a child, didn't get the chance to. Paul, please could you turn all my fans off on the stage? I'd rather have sweaty boobs and sweaty face than you lot see underneath this bloody dress. Right. Here he comes, he's very excited. Don't lift me up, please don't lift me up. Someone lifted me up a few weeks ago and I got sciatica and slipped this because it doesn't work for me. Come on then, my love. I was quickly spotted when I came on the stage. When I was walking back, oh, it's my dress, I know. It's not working very well, this dress, is it? Fucking hell, maybe I've put tracksuit on, haven't I? Oh, don't worry about it, I'm in the crowd, I'm very sweaty. Sort out my hair, it's blowing off. And then let's turn around and get one with you. You got to put your arms up. Where's your fat coat? Could you please put the lights on your phone, the torch, the flashlight, whatever it's called? Because it's amazing not just for me to look at, but it's also amazing for you to look at because you look like just a sky full of stars. And I'm going to try and take you to space with this next song. This is Love in the Dark. Far too ashamed to do with you watching me. Obviously I've been in Vegas, but I feel like I didn't really do that many songs on my first album in 2016 and 2017, even when I toured then. When the rain is blowing in your face and the whole world is on your case, I could offer you a warm embrace to make you feel my love. I'm not there from the moment that we first see eye. There's no doubt in my mind where you belong. Congratulations. There will be a plastic sleeve, and inside is a note from me and €50 to go and buy yourself a nice treat. Can you let us know when you find it? Hey, there it is. Oh, hi. Oh, Tony, you're gonna make me cry. That's your daughter, father and daughter. I've made up my mind. Don't need to think it over. If I'm wrong, I am right. If I knew my pain, should I leave it? Should I give up? Or should I? like, how can I feel a bit more connected to the people that I can't see all around the room? I obviously can't fly around the room and things like that. So I started doing a t-shirt gun, and then they made me this huge one.
No, I can't leave.
Down. Oh, it's not an engagement. There's an emergency. Oh. I just want to get a clearer idea. Are you okay? You made me fucking run for no reason. I was about to stage dive. I'm doing really well today, thank you. Thank you for asking me. Never mind, I'll find someone like you. I wish nothing but the best for you too. It's okay, regrets and mistakes that memories bear.
Adele